चलो बच्चों, तो आज बात करते हैं अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन एंड वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. सो लेट्स डू दिस. Now x plus xy plus y is equals to 54. This is given and both x and y are positive numbers. Then we have to find the value of x and y if x and y they are integers. So let's try this. So one thing I do remember from my past experience that there is an equation that x plus 1 into y plus 1. Because this is just like very random, very obvious thing which we have been taught in our lower grades. So x plus 1 into y plus 1, that gives me xy plus x plus y plus 1. So I guess this is almost the same, only 1 is missing. So I can very easily write that, okay, if I add 1 both side, I will get xy plus x plus y plus 1 is equals to, this is 55. Very simple. Okay, so this means this is back to this only. So I can write x plus 1 into y plus 1 and that will give me equals to 55. So we have got this, x plus 1 into y plus 1 is equals to 55. Isn't that so easy? So you just need to see here, although this looks very unsolvable, but if you just simply add 1 to both sides, you get x plus xy plus y plus 1. This is the equation which you get, and then that is equals to 55. So you can factorize this and you get x plus 1 into y plus 1 equals to 55. Now 55 has to be written into two factors. So how many possibilities are there? So there is a first possibility 1 into 55. Obviously 55 into 1 can also be there, no issues. There is another possibility that it can be written as 5 into 11. Yeah. So let's go with the first possibility first. X plus 1 into y plus 1 is going to give me 1 into 55. So from here, I can say that, okay, x plus 1 is going to be 1 and y plus 1 is going to be 55. So from here, I can get x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 54. And this can obviously be vice versa also, that x can become 54 and y can become 0. If we simply interchange the value, that if I write 55 into 1, that is also obviously possible. So here we have got the first set of values, that x is 0, y is 54, and hence we get x and y value 0 and 54. So like 0 comma 54 is the solution set, or 54 comma 0 is the solution set. This is the first possibility. Second possibility could be that x plus 1 could be 5 and y plus 1 could be 11. So let's do that as well. X plus 1 is equals to 5. So hence we have got x equals to 4 and y plus 1 is equals to 11. So we have got y equals to 10. So another solution set could be 4 comma 10, or you can do the vice versa. 10 will go this side, 4 will go this side. So it can become 10 comma 4. So we have got the answer. So x is equals to 4, y is equals to 10, or vice versa 10 comma 4. First possibility. Second possibility, x is 0, y is 54, and vice versa, that x is 54 and y is 0. So these are the 4 solution set what we have got for x and y, given this situation that if x plus xy plus y is equals to 54. And hence we have got the answer. I hope you liked the video. So guys, I hope you loved and enjoyed the problem. And if that is the case, so I would like to give you one more problem as a challenge which you should solve and send me the answers. What do you say? So if you are ready, here is the problem. In this problem, what you have to do, you have to solve this question and write the answers in the comment box. If I get a lot of right answers, then I'm very, very happy. I'll be very happy to see all of you solving these challenging questions. And in case if you're not able to solve, just write down in the comment box that, sir, I'm not able to solve it. Kindly help or kindly guide. I'll be very happy, and based on the responses given by you guys in the comment box, I'll be bringing a solution video for this particular question in the next session. Okay. So I hope you loved and enjoyed this video. So if that is the case, please write down in the comment box your valuable feedback. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for more such beautiful contents. See you in the next video. Thank you.